Hacktivists claim cyber attack on Columbia University after police crackdown on protests. Anonymous Arabia launches a cyber attack on Columbia University in response to recent police actions against student protests. Uncertainty shrouds the attack's legitimacy as university officials stay mum. The incident ignites discussions on the role of digital activism in contemporary protests and its consequences. CL0P lists McKinley Packing, Pilot, and Pinnacle Engineering as latest victims. The CLP ransomware group has struck again, with McKinley Packing, Pilot, and Pinnacle Engineering Group listed as its latest victims. As ransomware attacks escalate, scrutiny falls on victims' data security practices. Cyber experts are seeking clarity as the ransomware group's claims remain unconfirmed. Simple security oversight led to Change Healthcare data breach. A significant cyber attack hits Change Healthcare, a subsidiary of United Health Group, sparking worries about healthcare data security. CEO Andrew Whitty addresses Congress, disclosing breach caused by absence of multi-factor authentication. Despite paying ransom and losing millions, the healthcare sector prepares for mounting cyber threats. Out-of-box data breach exposes PII of more than 1 million Australian club visitors. Out-of-box data breach exposes over 1 million Australians' sensitive information, raising alarms nationwide. Third-party providers' security lapse compromises facial recognition, driver licenses, and club membership data. Cyber extortionists target offshore developers, triggering a wave of concern and investigations. Dropbox reports breach of sensitive authentication data for its Sign product. Dropbox discloses security breach, compromising sensitive data including passwords. Unauthorized access to Dropbox Sign's production environment raises concerns over user privacy. Forensic investigations underway as Dropbox implements measures to mitigate impact. Users notified as company braces for potential fallout.